Working on an '09 Nissan Altima. We're going to be removing the serpentine belt. We're going to have to remove the tire in order to get to the belt. It's easier coming from the bottom than going through the top because obviously you got the mounts and everything else in the way. So find your lifting point, jack it up. As a precaution, safety precaution, you want to put a jack stand. When it comes to removing this dust shield, protector, whatever you want to call it, you can use either a trim removal kit or trusty flathead. But while doing this, you just want to pry it, shimmy it out left and right really lightly, because you can really break these. And then there you go on a trip to the store for nothing. Whilst removing this, you want to kind of bend it a little bit because there is a lot of piece on it that you do not want to break. Here goes the belt. As you can see, this one is really bad. And for the tensioner, it's going to be a 14 millimeter. You have to use an open-end box wrench only because you can't really put a socket wrench in there. There's not enough room between the unibody and the thing itself. The only thing you want to do is remember the way the belts are on. Alright, so from here it looks like it's going to go from the harmonic balancer under the compressor all the way up to the alternator. It's going to make its way back down to the idler pulley, hang a left around the power steering, come back around this way around the tensioner, and here, like once again. So you want to come up here real quick, pull it up from the top, set the new one in.